Hey there, we wanted to quickly show you how to use Service Buddy, the tool that helps you double-check repair quotes from a mechanic or auto shop.
Whenever you're handed an estimate or invoice, just head over to servicebuddy.help. Got a paper quote? Snap a photo with your phone and upload it.
Next, just tell us the make and model of your car and a few quick details about the service you're being quoted for.
What you get? Within minutes, we'll send you a breakdown and analysis of your quote.
For example, we'll tell you what jobs you could do yourself for way less, plus where to get the parts.
Also, Service Buddy will tell you what the going rates are at other local shops and which highly rated mechanics you might want to check out instead.
We'll even let you know when it actually makes sense to stick with the auto shop who gave you the quote, because sometimes, yeah, it's worth it.
We built Service Buddy to help drivers avoid getting ripped off, and hundreds of people have already given it a spin.
Next time you're unsure about a repair quote, try it out. It's free, it's fast, and it's got your back.
Received an auto shop quote? Upload it to Service Buddy today and get the advice you need to make the right repair choices.